In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ons in Brave browser. Brave is a powerful browser that offers privacy and speed. But did you know you can enhance its capabilities with add-ons? Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch Brave browser on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. This ensures compatibility with all the latest add-ons. If you haven't updated in a while, you might see some differences in the interface. Once you have Brave open, search or go directly to the Chrome Web Store. Brave is built on the same platform as Google Chrome. This means you can use Chrome extensions seamlessly. Navigating to the Chrome Web Store is like opening a treasure trove of tools and features. Next up, use the search bar in the top left corner to look for the add-on you want. Whether it's a password manager, a grammar tool, or a dazzling new theme, the possibilities are endless. Take your time to explore the options. Choosing the right add-on can significantly enhance your browsing experience. It's important to select ones that suit your needs. After you've found an add-on that looks interesting, click on it from the search results to open its main details page. This page is crucial because it provides an overview of what the add-on does. Here you can read reviews, check ratings, and see what other users have to say. Reviews can be incredibly helpful in determining the reliability of an add-on. They give you insights from other users' experiences, which is invaluable. At this point, you should see a blue button that says Add to Brave in the top right corner. Click on it. This step is straightforward but essential. Clicking this button initiates the installation process. It's the gateway to adding new functionality to your browser. After clicking the button, a pop-up confirmation box will appear. This box lists the permissions the add-on requires. Permissions might include access to your data on certain websites or the ability to change your browser settings. Carefully review these permissions before proceeding. It's a good practice to know what you're granting access to. Only proceed if you are comfortable with the permissions requested. Finally, click Add Extension to confirm your choice. And just like that, you've added a new add-on to Brave browser. You might see a small notification confirming the installation. Congratulations, you've just enhanced your browsing experience with a new tool or feature. Remember, adding extensions is a way to customize your browser for your unique needs. Be mindful of how many you add, as too many can slow down your browser. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you. With that ready, you've completed the process of adding add-ons in Brave browser. Feel free to explore and experiment with different extensions. They can make tasks more efficient, improve security, or simply add a dash of fun to your browsing. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. Happy browsing and enjoy the enhanced features of your Brave browser. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the digital world with confidence.